So AI has been able to either augment or flat out replace different functions of business or personal life. And one area that it has continually lagged in, that is something essential to what professionals do on a day-to-day basis, is slides or decks. And so with the launch of Kimi Slides from the large language model platform Kimi AI, Kimi Slides may actually be helping to turn that corner. And in this video, I want to do a tutorial of Kimi and show the level to which it's able to actually build slides that are at a quality level, aesthetically, and information itself. So I'm going to pull up Kimi. This is Kimi AI here, very similar to your ChatGPTs and everything else. It's considered to actually be state of the art in coding. The context window isn't the largest, but when it comes to open source platforms out of China right now, Quen and Kimi are top of the line. And with slides or decks, Manus and Genspark AI, and then also now ChatGPT Deep Agent, those three are able to build full on pitch decks. However, they tend to lack in just the quality, whether it's words or phrases interfering with each other, whether it's even just in the color scheme. Sometimes, like, it's not all the way there to a point where usually if you use one of those platforms to build out your slides, you literally have to just do it yourself, or you have to go and just do it manually. And when I tried out Kimi the other day, I put something through and I was just very impressed with the result that it gave me. And so I want to go ahead and just test this out. So within Kimi, so this is Kimi.com, you can go over to Kimi Slides, and you can present your idea. It gives you some ideas here. And so, for example, drop the idea, I'll draft the outline and build the deck. And then maybe we could just use one that it has like more relevance. So we can go, let's say, business plan for a small coffee shop. And then similar to if you've used ChatGPT Deep Agent, over on the right side, it starts pulling from all these different sources and everything. And then you'll see it as it starts to actually build out the slides. So it does the outline for it, and then you'll see as it starts to put together the actual design of it, which is what I was most impressed with. You know, when it comes to AI and design, merging the design with the content itself. So whether we're talking about slides, whether we're talking about articles or newsletters, they being able to have that high level design is something that I believe the space has been missing, or that this hasn't been all the way there yet with identifying the right images and aesthetics to even use. And so you'll see as it sort of plans out this deck, what it comes up with. There are so many options now to choose from with these large language models, both closed source like your Claudes and ChatGPTs, to your Kimis or Quens or DeepSeeks. All right, generate slides. So it allows you to choose a template, which I believe is very helpful. If you're familiar with the site Gamma, for example, you're able to drag and drop a whole bunch of information that you might have, and then it'll sort of organize it for you in a form of slides. So I like, typically like the more ethereal type solid colors. So I'm going to go with this right here, and then we're going to click on generate slides. And so it's putting everything together. Executive summary snapshot, looking good. All right, so I'm lacking a little bit here, kind of smudged in that area. But overall, I mean, I think that what qualifies something that's satisfactory in this regard is whether or not you have to do it over, or whether or not it's something that you can kind of go and just like improve a little bit on, versus having to literally scrap it and say like, this is just not going to work. And from what I've been able to see with Kimi, it actually gives you a satisfactory level slides. So yeah, so you can see that agentic nature that it has, where it's controlling the browser here, and it's going ahead and it's creating all the slides. All right, so brewing success, small coffee shop plan. So we saw some of the areas where it was lacking. And so, for example, this you might have to, move all of this up, for example. Like we move business overview up to make room for that paragraph with target market, things like that. Move this down a little bit. So it feels like Kimi has either taken from or has taken some notes from some of where other agentic tools like Genspark AI has fallen short in. Because even when you go and try and change what the Gensparks and some of these other platforms come up with, a lot of times it's not even easy to make the change. Like it's very cluttered. It's like it's not very user friendly a lot of the time. And the fact that within Kimi here, like you're literally able to just adjust what is here, right? Just straight up drag and drop. And so this is something where, and I want to maybe even do something like, if I were to take, let's say one of my YouTube videos. So I have this YouTube video, for example, on automating property management workflows. So let's say I were to take take the transcript and pop it into Kimi and say something like, can you turn the following main points and idea from this YouTube video transcript as follows into you know presentation, for example, and then I paste in the transcript, and then we could see what it does. So it's going ahead and it is showing the outline that is created based off of the YouTube transcript, and then you'll be able to pick a template and it'll go ahead and create the presentation. And I think that's probably key to why this is more successful, because it's giving you the template that you can use, whereas with Manus, with ChatGPT Deep Agent, with Genspark, it's not giving you any sort of templating. The only agent so far that I've seen that has been pretty solid with at least even just putting images with text is Flowwith. And Flowwith is AI agent that can run for over 8 hours. And so it is dope that you have a lot of options, though, when it comes to just leveraging these different agents. All right, so now we can go and generate slides, and let's see what template do we want to use. And I hope over time, they add more templates. I like this one right here, this kind of spacey one, but I think I'll go with right here, generate slides. I mean, this is good. I mean, look at just how firm and it gives you that professional feel. It's organized. The phrases aren't blending into each other, and even if anything is cut off, you're able to simply make slight adjustments to it yourself. So this is something that I literally feel like I have something that I can use to make presentations now, and so do you. And so Kimi AI, Kimi Slides, and I imagine over the coming weeks they'll continue to improve on it. But it's something that if you're not using yet, and I'm sure people aren't really talking much about it yet, this is definitely a tool to begin leveraging. Yeah, so there you have it. Kimi Slides from Kimi AI. Kimi, so it's large language model slash, I guess, agentic platform as well. And I would say has now become definitely probably top of the line for putting together slides and decks. And again, you can always go in. So I see here, for example, just like how it's smudged, you can always very, very easily just kind of move the text and the paragraphs around, which is just, you can't say for a lot of what's already out there. So that's it. Hope you try to use it and check it out. There we go. Kimi Slides. I'll see you for the next one.